So I'm making this video kind of as a reminder to myself. So if you're like me, you love Metallica, all their records, Kirk Hammett's signature guitar, then you'll know this amp, the JCM 120, the Roland JCM 120, is the clean tones that they use, and it's a very versatile clean amp for a lot of bands. But here's my EQ settings. I'm going to try to replicate the Injustice for All clean tone that James dialed in. I'm going to play one, maybe a little bit of Harvester of Sorrow. But chorus is on, bright's on, reverb's about at noon, and then treble, middle, and bass you could see from there. But I have it to high setting. Low just doesn't really cut it for me on channel 2 as far as getting that treble kind of mixed in. But plugging straight into an ESP LTD EC1000. I just changed the strings to Ernie Ball Paradigm Hybrids, 46 through 10, and I set the action a little higher than I usually do, which is kind of the key for this tone, I believe. I haven't really seen it on a lot of forums, more about the actual EQ of the amp or having extra pedals that may help replicate those mids. But for me, the action setting a little bit higher than I usually do, just in an effort to reduce the buzz, kind of dialed it in, almost nailed it. So here's a demo. Let's see how it sounds.